Yes, this is a bullish warning. We saw that the FOMC meeting was pretty much a nothing burger. We got no rate hike, what was also expected from the overall market, but we could see we had this volatile move before the FOMC meeting where the price movement came all the way up to the levels of 35,188 and then we went straight back down all the way to the levels of 34,000 US dollars, and then we saw this perfect bounce, and at the meeting we saw that the price movement of Bitcoin had this massive pump towards the upside, reaching a high of 36,000 US dollars, but at the moment we can see yes, Bitcoin is having this major retracement towards the downside and this massive dump. Is this just a retest from previous resistance? Or are we going to see that Bitcoin is going to break out and this was just a failed move equals a fast move in the opposite direction? Guys, we're going to look at the charts to find out what we could expect. And if you're still watching this video without being subscribed, subscribe and smash up the like button, and let's get directly into the charts. Welcome back to 𝗥𝗲𝗶𝗀. I hope you're all doing great after this massive pump towards the upside. But guys, yes, at the moment we can see that the price movement of Bitcoin is dumping quite rapidly. So we're going to first of all find out what are the very important retracement levels after this massive pump towards the upside. And for that, we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement tool from this low all the way to the swing high. And now we can see, yes guys, we came all the way back down to the 78.6. where the price movement is at the moment. We can also drag the Fibonacci retracement level a little bit lower, but guys, I really do believe that we have to keep the Fibonacci retracement tool exactly here, where we had this candle close from this range that Bitcoin has been trading in. If we're going to break the 78.6, guys, I could expect that yes, we're going to at least come to the 88.6, and if we're not going to hold this level, we can dump even lower and come all the way back down to this range low, exactly at the levels of 33,600 US dollars, where we could see that the price movement is finding some support. But why are we seeing this rapid dump towards the downside? And yes, for that we're going to go over to the dollar currency index. The dollar dumped after this rate hike decision. And yes, we've been talking about this in the previous video that I expected we're at least going to come all the way to these highs. But guys, we didn't reach these levels and we formed a lower high. And after the meeting, we saw this dump towards the downside and we came all the way back down to the $105 level. And yes, the dollar is turning around at the support, and that's why we're seeing that Bitcoin is at the moment dumping so rapidly. But guys, yes, we're on the 4-hour chart, and in the next 23 minutes, this 4-hour candle is going to close. And if we're going to manage to close above the 61.8, this would be extremely bullish, because this would just mean, yes, this is just a healthy retracement after this massive pump towards the downside, because usually we could see a retracement towards the 61.8 and even the 78.6 before we're going to see this continuation even higher. And what price target could we reach for Bitcoin? And yes, on the daily chart we have our price target at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and I told you that I expect this pump to our price target before we're going to see any retracement. And yes guys, you can also see on the lower time frames on the 4-hour chart that this is a perfect breakout and a retest of the symmetrical triangle, because yes, normally you want to wait for this breakout and the retest to enter in any positions. But guys, I would really be careful if we're going to go below 34,323 US dollar level, because then I expect, yes, first of all, that we're going to reach the price target of the 1.618 round about the 33,000 US dollar level before we're going to see a continuation towards the upside. And guys, if you want to buy crypto on the spot market or trade it on a leverage, go down in the video description below and sign up to Bybit, OKX or even FOREX, where you don't need any KYC. And guys, yes, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.